As we said earlier, PRINCE2 Agile is only appropriate for project work. In both PRINCE2 and PRINCE2 Agile, routine, ongoing work is referred to as business as usual or BAU. The distinction between project work and BAU is important because some Agile methods need to be applied differently in each situation. Typically, a project is temporary, has a specific team created for it, is complex, and contains a degree of uncertainty. On the other hand, BAU is typically ongoing, has a stable team, is routine, and is fairly certain. BAU characteristically involves repeatable routine tasks that can be carried out by people with the appropriate technical skills without the support of a project manager. There is often an established team dedicated to BAU tasks. An example of BAU work is a minor update to an existing product. Conversely, a project involves the creation of a temporary team to address a specific problem, opportunity, or change. Project work is sufficiently difficult that it should be managed separately from BAU. For example, the creation of a new product or service or a significant change to an existing product. A project has the following characteristics. It needs to engage many different stakeholders. It's very uncertain. The project team are often in different locations. Personnel may change. It could be long or short. It could be part of a wider program, and projects are always managed by a project manager.